Hello student, I am Pramod sir, your math teacher. Welcome to everybody today's online class. Student, today I am going to again start your exercise 2.5, and in my previous lecture I have finished question number first, second, third, 4 and 5th of this exercise, and today I am going to start from question number 5. So firstly student, student, question number 6. So firstly I am going to write the question. Question is saying student, write the place value of 2. Write the place value of 2 in the following decimal numbers. In the following decimal numbers. Student, there are many parts is given. Only I am taking only 2 part. First part 2.56 and I am taking the third part 10.25. So student, it was very easy. If we talk about the solution of this question, you know 2 is present in the ones place and this 2 is present in the tenths place. I have discussed about the place of the whole number part and decimal part of in decimal number in my introduction video. So student, in one line you can give your answer in the decimal number. In the decimal number, in the decimal number 2.56, the place value of 2 is 2 ones, because 2 is present in the ones place, so the place value of 2 is 2 ones. And if we talk about the part number 3, then you can write same statement in decimal number 10.25. The place value of 2 is 2 tenths. T and T tenths. Sorry student, this is wrong spelling. TENTHS, tenths. Like this, the spelling of hundreds, HUNDREDTHS, hundreds. THS you require to add in the last. The spelling of 10, 100 and 1000. So student, this was very easy. I hope you have understood this question very well. If the 2 is present in this place, so this place belongs to hundreds place. So you will write the place value of 2 is 200. It's okay. So student, remaining part second and fourth is homework for you. Now student, come to the 7th question. Question number 7 student. Firstly, I am writing the question. Dinesh went from place A to place B. Dinesh went from place A to place B. To place B. Place A to place B. And from there to place C. To place C. A is A is 7.5 kilometer, 7.5 kilometer from B, and B is 12.7 kilometer from C. Ayub, question again saying, Ayub went from place A Ayub went from place A to place D. To place D. And from there to place C. D is 9.3 kilometer from A, and C is 11.8 kilometer from D. Who traveled more? Who traveled more, and by how much? Student, this is the question, and क्वेश्चन इज वेरी इजी स्टूडेंट. सिर्फ आपको देखने में लॉन्ग लग रहा है, बट कैलकुलेशन इसका बहुत ही छोटा है. स्टूडेंट, फिगर इज गिवन इन योर क्वेश्चन, बट हियर आई विल ड्रॉ द फिगर. स्टूडेंट, अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन, ड्रॉ द फिगर. Dinesh went from place A to place B. Suppose that this is place A, and place A to place B. This is place B. A and place B. A to place B, and from there went to place C. This is suppose that place C. A is 7.5 किलोमीटर from B. A जो है B से 7.5 किलोमीटर की डिस्टेंस पर है, सपोज, एंड B is 12.7 किलोमीटर from C. 12.7 किलोमीटर from C. Ayub went from place A to place D. A to place D. Suppose that A to place D, and from there to place C. D is 9.3 kilometer. This is 9.3 kilometer. And from A and C, from 9.3 kilometer from A, and C is 11.8 kilometer. C is 11.8 kilometer from D. Who traveled more and by how much? किसने ज्यादा डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल की है और कितना ज्यादा डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल की है? This is question asking to me. So student, this distance traveled by Dinesh, and this distance also traveled by Dinesh, and this distance traveled by Ayub, and this distance also traveled by Ayub. So student, this is very easy. Who traveled more distance? So firstly student, we find out distance traveled by Dinesh is equal to AB प्लस BC। यही डिस्टेंस तो दिनेश चल रहा है, मूव कर रहा है, AB प्लस BC। सो AB is, write the value of AB and BC from figure, 7.5 kilometer plus 12.7 kilometer is equal to 7, 5, 12, 7 to 9, 1, 10, 1 and 1, 2, 20.2 kilometer distance traveled by Dinesh. And I say, student, find out the distance traveled by Ayub is equal to AD plus DC is equal to, the value of AD is 9.3 kilometer, 9.3 kilometer plus DC 11.8 kilometer, and the sum of both is 8, 3, 11, 11, 9, 20, 20 and 1, 21, 21.1 kilometer. So student, by comparing you can say that Ayub traveled more distance in comparison of दिनेश। दिनेश की तुलना में आयुब ने ज्यादा डिस्टेंस कवर की है, चला है, मूव किया, ट्रेवल किया। सो स्टूडेंट, फर्स्ट आंसर यू कैन राइट इन वन लाइन। इट इज क्लियर दैट फर्स्टली राइट दिस स्टेटमेंट, since 21.1 kilometer is greater than 20.2 kilometer, so it is clear that Ayub traveled more distance, more distance. Ayub traveled more distance. This is the first answer of my question. And second is saying who traveled more distance by how much. ये second question पूछ रहा मुझसे, कितना, अगर दिनेश ने, अगर आयुब ने ज्यादा डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल की है तो कितना ज्यादा डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल की है ज्यादा। फॉर गेटिंग दिस आंसर वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट। सो स्टूडेंट, द डिफरेंस ऑफ the difference between distance traveled by Dinesh and Ayub is equal to 21.1 minus 9.3. You can subtract like this, 21.1 minus 9.3. You will take borrow. So 11 minus 3, 8. 11 minus 3, 8. 0. This will be 10. You will take borrow. 10 minus 9, 1 and 1. 11.8 kilometer. 11. दिस इज माई सेकेंड आंसर। ये मेरा सेकेंड आंसर है। कितना आयुब ने ज्यादा डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल की है? 11.8 किलोमीटर। सॉरी स्टूडेंट, दिस इज रॉन्ग। This is wrong because this is not 9.3 kilometer distance between दिनेश एंड आयुब. दिनेश ने कितना डिस्टेंस कवर किया है? 20.2 और आयुब ने 21.1. सो 21.1 माइनस 20.2. नाउ यू विल सब्ट्रैक्ट हियर 20.2. सो यू विल गेट स्टूडेंट 11 minus 2, 11 minus 2, 9.20. This is 0 and this will be 20. 20 minus 20 is equal to 0. 0.9 kilometer is equal to 0.9 kilometer more distance traveled by Ayub from Dinesh. It's okay, student. So I hope, student, you have understood this question very well. So come to the question number 8, student. Question number 8 is very easy, student. I am reading the question and you will do this question very well yourself, student. Shyama bought 5 kg 300 gram apples and 3 kg 250 gram mangoes. Sarla bought 4 kg 800 gram orange and 4 kg 150 gram bananas. Who bought more fruit? So student, firstly you will find fruit bought by Shyama. श्यामा ने 5 kg 300 ग्राम एप्पल लिया है एंड 3 kg 250 ग्राम मैंगो लिया है. दोनों को ऐड कर दीजिए. यू विल गेट वन वैल्यू एंड आफ्टर दिस यू विल राइट द स्टेटमेंट फ्रूट बॉट बाय द सरला. सो उसने ऑरेंज और बनाना लिया है. सो ऑरेंज का अमाउंट और बनाना का अमाउंट आप ऐड कर देंगे. यू विल गेट वन वैल्यू. आफ्टर दिस हु बॉट मोर फ्रूट? एट लास्ट स्टूडेंट यू विल सब्ट्रैक्ट स्मॉलर वैल्यू फ्रॉम द ग्रेटर वैल्यू. लास्ट में आप माइनस कर देंगे तो आपको पता लग जाएगा. नो स्टूडेंट, बाय हाउ मच इज नॉट आस्किंग द क्वेश्चन. हु बॉट मोर फ्रूट? किसने ज्यादा फ्रूट खरीदा? सो स्टूडेंट, बाय कंपेयरिंग you can tell that who bought more fruits. It's okay, student. So I hope, student, it is very easy. You can do yourself. So come to the question number 9, student. Question number 9 is conceptual question, student. So I want to tell you, and it's very short question. Question number 8, if we talk about the question number 8, so question number 8 is saying, student, how much less is 28 kilometer than 42.6 kilometer. So, student, how much less is 28 kilometer? Question is saying 28 kilometer कितना कम है than 42.6 kilometer. 42.6 kilometer की तुलना में कितना कम है? So student, it's clear that we have to subtract. So student, smaller value from the greater value you will subtract. So if we talk about the solution, so in one line you can say that on subtracting subtracting 28 kilometer from 42.6 kilometer, we get 42.6 minus 28.0. Subtract student. 6.12 minus 8, 4, 3 minus 2, 1 kilometer. So student, you can say that 28 kilometer. So you can write your answer. 28 kilometer is less than 42.6 kilometer by 14.6 kilometer. It's my answer. So student, it's a conceptual question. So you will solve like this in your fair copy. भाई सीधे से कह रहा है कि 28 किलोमीटर 42.6 किलोमीटर से कितना कम है. So student, we have to subtract. On subtracting 28 kilometer from 42.6 kilometer, we get 42 minus 0.6 minus 28.0, we get 14.6 kilometer. So student, you can write your answer. 28 kilometer is less than 42.6 kilometer by 14.6 kilometer. It's my answer. So student, in this way, today I have finished your exercise 2.5. So in my next video, I will start your exercise number 2.6, which belongs to multiplication of the decimal number. And student, you know very well how to multiply of the decimal number. If you does not know, I will discuss in my next lecture how to multiply of the 2 decimal number or 3 decimal number together. So thank you student, thank you very much.